What's up, y'all? I have been invited to this dope, classy... Wait a minute, let me take these off. I have been invited to this like dope, classy event. It's like a dressed up black tie and very evening wear type thing. And I want a different look with my locks. I don't want them straight. I want to try something different. But I did get these. These are the Flexi rods. I'm gonna try this. I've never done this with my hair before. I even have my dress right here. I'm excited. Let's see how this turns out. All right.
Okay guys, you're gonna need 2 packs of Flexi rods. And I ran out of my favorite MAC foundation and I got this in the color NC50. You guys, best foundation ever. Not only is it lightweight, it doesn't leave my skin looking ashy and dry. I also picked up the olive oil wrap set mousse with coconut oil. I needed something light to hold the curls while keeping the shape. Y'all, I cannot believe how long my locks have grown. If you take good care of them, they really grow like weeds. Let's start by misting that hair with some cold water. Next, I'm going to show my scalp some love with the Nourishing Coconut Oil Hydrating Oil Mist. And if you didn't get that, I've listed all the products in this video in the description box below. Side note, this mousse, it smelled like fresh rain clouds and unicorn dust. Smells so good. Okay, y'all, we looking good. We getting it done. All right. Gotta do a happy dance. Ay, 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 ay. Megan Thee Stallion tongue. Ah. Now I know I'm not the only one that be having an imaginary concert while doing their hair. Today I was Tupac, but then I felt God giving me the side eye from heaven, so... Y'all, I ran out of Flexi rods. Something told me to get 3 packs. But it's okay though. I'ma make it work.
One eternity later.
Okay, the moment is here. Let's see what the final results look like. Okay guys, I was a little worried at first, but I gotta say, I am feeling this volume in this body in my locks, and it feels so soft. I love it. Let's get into this curly lock updo. It is definitely giving early 90s updo. I added some wispy wavy pieces in the front and the back to give it a little razzle dazzle. Deets on the dress. It's a vintage 90s spaghetti strap dress with a little back action. I just love how elegant and simple it looks. I paired the dress with red lipstick and red nail polish, just to give my look a pop of color. Now the look is not complete without some smell good. I got 2 words for you: Carolina Herrera, period. If you want to see more of my lock hairstyle tutorials, check out this video right here. I'm sure you'll love it. And don't forget to sign up for my newsletter for tips, product recommendations, and inspiration to keep you encouraged on your lock journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.